Hey y'all, this is me, Vintage Saturn Fan Collector, back with a ceiling fan video, and here is a 1992 Bahama BC-52. I got this fan yesterday at a Goodwill of the time of filming this, and I have to say, for this fan, it stuck out like a sore thumb. Funny thing was, when I was walking into Goodwill yesterday, I saw the fan standing right in front of me, like I could see it literally from the entrance because it had a long down rod, which I do have pictures of that. That will be at the end of the video. As you guys can see, let me see if you guys can see that Bahama logo. Barely, I guess, but I had to flush mount it because I don't have any short down rods for this fan that are white, because I believe these things are meant to have white rods. So without further ado, let's put it on low. So this is from January of '92. Seems like the past few fans have been rolling through here are from the 90s, early 90s actually. Well, except for the estate, but we all know about that one. But the blades are non-reversible. They're white on both sides, and some of them have been flip-flopped because there are some scratches above, but I'm not keeping this fan. I'm actually trying to sell it. So as soon as this fan gets taken down, I'm probably going to put it in a box and wait till I can figure out how to use eBay or PayPal, something like that, just to get this thing out of my sight. But anyway, let's go up to medium. It's got a bit of a bearing issue though. So if anyone's watching this that's interested, just know that you got a bearing issue. I'm gonna let the fan run, just so that the bearings need running. But earlier I had them quiet, so for this fan you gotta let it run for the bearings to go quiet a little bit. I don't know, I've had strange experiences with bearings. Now let's knock it up to high. It's not half bad. It blows pretty decent air. But Bahama fans, I mean, they're cheapos in some cases. So hoping to get a vintage fan to take this fan's place, like something that's 80s. Trying to downsize my collection so I can make room for some nice Casa fans and Emerson's, maybe some really good showroom fans. I don't know, really depends. Now we're going to do somewhat spin down. Oh wait, we can't really do that now. Because I don't got a stool. So we're going to have to watch this thing genuinely spin down. Unfortunately, well, for me, but for you guys that enjoy a nice, good spin down, here's your opportunity. Or that could be its low speed. Alright. Okay, there we go. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys from the next one.